Hey, I'm Ryan from Accelerate Marketing, and today we're busting one of the biggest myths floating around the internet. AI is killing search engine optimization. You've seen the Instagram posts and on LinkedIn. No one's going to click on websites anymore because AI just gives you all the answers. I get it, it sounds scary, but it's also totally wrong. AI is changing search engine optimization, not killing it. Here's the truth. AI tools like Google's AI overviews, ChatGPT, and Perplexity don't invent content out of thin air. They're pulling from existing web pages from the websites that have authority, structure, and clarity. That means your site is still the foundation. If your site is clear, optimized, and full of useful, trustworthy information, AI tools are going to get to use it. They might paraphrase it, summarize it, or even cite it. Either way, your business becomes part of the AI ecosystem. That's a huge opportunity because while everyone else is panicking about AI replacing search, the businesses that focus on credibility and clarity are setting themselves up to win, both with Google and with AI discovery. Here's what's actually happening behind the scenes. AI is transforming search engine optimization from being about ranking first to being understood first. That means your goal isn't just getting clicks, it's building visibility infrastructure. Here's what that looks like in practice. Structured data that tells search engine and AI exactly what your business does. Consistent branding across your website, reviews, and social channels. Expertise-driven content that signals authority in your niche. Real, authentic reviews that confirm you're trusted by actual customers. When you do those things, you don't have to fear AI. You benefit from it. Because when ChatGPT or Google's AI overviews pulls an answer, they're going to pull from the businesses that are credible, consistent, and clear. So instead of worrying about SEO dying, it's time to make your search engine optimization smarter. That means optimizing your Google business profile, staying active with reviews, and creating high-quality content that both humans and machines can understand. At Accelerate Marketing, we help businesses build authority that lasts, not just for the next algorithm update, but for the next era of discovery. If you want to learn how to prepare your business for this new wave of AI-enhanced search, check out our blog at accelerateyourmarketing.com. You'll find resources on Google optimization, AI strategy, review growth, and reputation management. Everything you need to stay visible in a world that's changing fast. And for more in-depth tips on LSAs, Google Business Profiles, and local marketing strategies, explore the other videos on our channel. So no, SEO or search engine optimization is not dead, it's just evolving. And businesses that evolve with it, they'll be the ones AI points to. Google ranks higher, and customers trust the most. I'm Ryan from Accelerate Marketing. If you're ready to future-proof your digital visibility, we're here to help you dominate your market with clarity and confidence.